Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. I am Sim Marie, and in today's video, we will speak on how to go viral on YouTube in 2024. Now, I know I previously made videos on how to go viral, but times have changed and trends have changed as well. So now we're going to speak on how to grow bigger in 2024. Let's go. So for number one, we all know we have to create the content first. Once you're done creating the content, then step two will be easy for you. Step two is creating your thumbnail. Thumbnails and titles are your video's first impression. Try to create visual appealing thumbnails and craft compelling titles that spark curiosity. The initial click is crucial in the world of YouTube and YouTube's algorithm. So make sure, if you can, try your hardest to make compelling and eye-catching thumbnails. Canva is a great way to start. Canva has all the tools that you would need to create a thumbnail. It's a lot of apps out there that can help you create your thumbnails. Also, if you're not good at making thumbnails, then you can try Fiverr. If you have a little extra money, you could pay someone $5 to $10 to make you a nice thumbnail. Or if you don't have anyone to make a thumbnail for you, do what you can. Start there. And you can always perfect your craft later, but just do what you can to get your content out to the world. Now, number three actually goes with number one. Make sure you have engaging content. The first few seconds are make or break. Make sure you hook your audience right from the start with engaging content. Whether it's a captivating story, an intriguing question, or just stunning visuals, grab your viewers' attention early on to keep them watching. The goal is to keep your audience watching. The YouTube algorithm loves that. Now, for number four, this one here is helping creators with engagement, subscribers, and views. And that is YouTube Shorts. Now, YouTube Shorts are definitely gaining popularity. You can create short, snappy videos that are easily shareable. These can act as a gateway to your longer content and may be more likely to go viral due to their quick and engaging nature. Guys, please don't sleep on YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts, it's where it's at. You will be able to gain more subscribers and views off making several shorts than you would your long content. Now, that's just my opinion. I have done a study on it, and I feel like personally with my small channel that I get more engagement, more views, and more subscribers off doing YouTube Shorts. So for number five, ask your audience to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's just say you're having a discussion in your video. You can pause for a minute and ask a question and ask your audience to comment their opinion down below. And let's just say you get further in the video and you pause again and you say, okay, guys, if you like what you have seen or heard this far and you would like to see more content from me, please click subscribe and give them a few seconds to subscribe. And as the video goes on to the very end, you say, okay, guys, we have finished the video. If you like what you have seen or heard, please click the like button. Now, number six is also an easy way to go viral, and that's by utilizing your social media platforms. And what I mean by that is take your content from YouTube and share it to other social media platforms. Let's just say you posted a YouTube short or a long form video on YouTube and it's not doing so well. So you go and you take it over to Facebook and you see that the audience over there is more engaging and they like the content. That's a great way to go viral. So maybe that piece of content better lies with Facebook. Or let's just say your content is doing great on YouTube, so you try it on other social media platforms and it does great as well. That is also a win-win. So number seven really goes with number six. It's best if you monitor your analytics. Keep a close eye on your content. Understand what works and what doesn't. Adapt your content strategies based on viewers' feedback and performance data. So basically what I'm saying is your analytics is your best friend. Your analytics will have your back. As long as you give the analytics content to give feedback on, they will give you the feedback. So do your part and the analytics will do theirs. So there you have it. A comprehensive guide to creating content with the potential to go viral on YouTube in 2024. Now, if you found these insights helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content in regards to how to go viral. Now, I do a lot of content on how to progress and get engagement and go viral on social media platforms. So if you like this type of content, please hit the like button and also subscribe, because I love giving out information. I call myself your favorite information girl. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.